that the Lord has made. I want to be the next. Superstar. Samantha Cecilia Pilar Maria Gracia will be the next. Superstar. Well, you know, PUPS accountancy students are perfect. Do you agree? Of course you do. Well, you know, when I was about to audition for Filipinas Got Talent Season 3, I was really excited that I even prayed to all the angels and saints in heaven. Goodness gracious, hallelujah. Do you know what happened exactly on that day? It was a beautiful day. I was wearing the most fabulous dress with a curvaceous body of 36, 24, 36. And a limousine stopped in front of me. But it seems no space for me. Yet the driver kept on saying, "Oh, malungkot, sakay na." And because I didn't want to be late, I rode in it. And oh my God! I thought it was a limousine, but a jeepney that ran so fast. I hate the woman beside me who sat like she owned the place, taking maybe 2 spaces. How could she think of herself when my legs were shaking to death? And so I hope to ensure this pain. Later on, I was able to sit properly. And I have to give my fare. Please stay. Tell, please. Te, pakiabot. Oh my God. The woman won't receive my 9 pesos. Is she dead or what? And so I didn't have any other choice but to move forward from here to the driver's seat. Forward. 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I went for a while in a food store. Well, I have to forget all those misery things that happened to me a while ago. I have to keep my voice. Breathe out, stomach in up, chin up, pouty lips, twinkle twinkle eye. The tsunami roar. Oh no. I need to drink first. I'm thirsty. When I was about to buy some drinks in a food court, when suddenly a waitress accidentally took my hand in the tray. With all humility, I poked it back and said, "I saw you. Why did you do that to me?" No, let me. So you're telling me I'm a liar? I'm a liar? I'm a liar. Answer me. I'm a liar? You really hurt me. Ate, itagot mo ako and I'm the teacher of the favor. Just to end up the conversation, I was the one who said sorry to that girl. Oh no. Later on, there was a poor man appeared in my presence begging for food. Naku, Ineng, ang mga anak ko, nagugutom na. Tulungan mo kami. No! I gave food to the children of the poor man. Maraming salamat, Ineng, at binigyan mo ng pagkain ng aking mga anak. Tulog ka ng langit! What time is it? It's only 2 minutes before the start of my audition. Oh, I think that is the line for body was so insecure with my beauty. When I was falling in line, a girl in front of me caught my attention. She gave me a cup of noodles and said, "This is a new flavor of Lucky Me Bulalo." And I was like, you must be kidding me. Isn't this a line for PDD Season 3? No, madam, this is a Lucky Me British activity. Oh my God! What is happening to me? Why there's so many hindrances just to become a superstar? Oh, I think that is the true line of Pilipinas Got Talent Season 3. This is it. I will give my best, my very best. Miss, are you going to join for Pilipinas Got Talent Season 3? But I'm sorry, it almost done. What? Please, please. Ever since I was young, I wanted to be a superstar. Give me a chance. I can walk, I can sing, I can dance. Please. Okay, go ahead, push man. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Angel Oxy. Akin lang ang asawa ko! People of the Philippines, please welcome Jess Saragosa. Fellow students of Puppy Love. Manloloko ka! Bakit mo naman ako niloko? Alam mo naman mahal kita, di ba? Paano ba kasi gustong mahalin ka? Sana pala, hindi na lang kita minahal. Sana, hindi na lang kita naging gusto. Sana pala, yung mga pinapasunod ko sa'yo, pinabili ko na lang ang pagkain sa project. Sana pala, hindi ko mapagod ko sa kakatext sa'yo, tsaka kakaisip sa'yo, nag-aaral na lang ako ng accounting, hindi sana ang ulo ako. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chris Aquino. Dora, let's just Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the original superstar, Nora Onoa. I did not kill anybody! Walang himala! Walang himala! Hindi totoong may himala! Ang himala ay nasa puso ng bawat tao! And do you know what was the result of her audition? She became a superstar. Congratulations! See, even if you only have one person to win, continue to fight. Always remember, no matter how small a chance is, it's always an opportunity. Never lose hope, keep up on your faith, and never stop believing in your dreams. Thank you.